Hey, hello, and good day, everybody. Have you ever wanted to control the header of an OpenBOM Excel export? Of course you have. Well, now you can. Let me show you how easy it is. Open your favorite bill of materials, and the first thing you're going to do is create yourself a view. In my case, I've created a view called Export Headers. Let me show you what this looks like. I create a view, I put the properties in the view that I want to show in the header of the export. It's just that easy. So go ahead and create that view in OpenBOM. Next, in your favorite BOM, click the export button, choose add header rows from view, and choose the view. Export headers, remember mine was called. I get a nice preview of what it's going to look like. I can include thumbnail images here, maybe a thumbnail of the top level assembly. Always handy. And export that. And let's see what it looks like. Here it is. Now it has all the information, even the thumbnail that we had in the view. So that is export header controls. It is in the May 2026 release of OpenBOM. We'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.